Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we've got the Rite titanium sliding D-ring. So this is deceptively useful. Most sort of D-rings that you put on your harness setup, you need a slider as well, and they really sort of fix it in position. So once it's there, it's a real pain to move it backwards and forwards. But in sort of modern times with aluminium cylinders, you need to shift D-rings to kind of move them around. This is definitely going to be a winner. So the main sort of benefit in my books is that it's made out of titanium, so it weighs very, very little. And because it's that sliding D-ring, you don't need an additional slider with it. So I've got some 2-inch webbing here. I'm just going to thread that on real quick. And then when it's pointing upwards, you can move it around really easily. But as soon as you sort of clip something off onto it, it will not budge. It's really, really secure, and it works in both ways, so that won't move. But then if you need to sort of shift it around, take the weight off of it and just slide it, it's really, really quick and easy. So an essential piece of kit, incredibly lightweight compared to those big bulky sort of stainless steel D-rings. Titanium, it's never going to rust. It's very light, it's very, very strong. Fairly low profile as well. It's not a massive D-ring compared to some of the steel ones, but a very, very useful piece of kit. Especially for those sort of advanced techie divers with a sort of solo harness, especially when you're first kind of putting it together. It can be a pain to get them in just the perfect place, but with this makes it much, much faster. Fantastic piece of kit. This is the Rite titanium sliding D-ring. Thanks for watching and safe diving.